good afternoon, good morning, depending on what part of the world you guys are in. This is Chris again, the Watch Lounge, coming with another unboxing. And as the title states, this has come back to me though. It is not my original one that I had in the collection. Yes, I did cheat a little bit, and I had already unboxed it. Quick wristwatch check. I am indeed wearing that G-shoc. And I know I said I'm trying to consolidate the collection, but this had happened upon me by way of one Random Rob's Patreon group. One of the gentlemen in there, David, he really wanted the Zen. Of course, the Zen is sold, and he had sold this to me plus cash. I'm not going to discuss how much, whatever, but it was a pretty good deal both ways. And he really wanted the Zen. I wanted the Zen to go to a good home, and I got another Squale out of it. Whether I'll keep this or not, I don't know. I don't know if I'll flip it. But of course, onto the box. Typical Squale box. Now this thing was packaged pretty good. He had it packaged really good, guys. Like I said, really good trade. And on the watch, I know a lot of you guys are going to give me hate for trading a Squale for a Zen. But like I said, he really wanted it, and I'm trying to consolidate the collection. Kind of missed the Squale again. I don't know whether I'll miss the Zen or not. I'm not going to do a full review on this guy. You guys have already seen it on my wrist, but this is the blue dial, the polished blue with the orange hand. Of course, you know about two favorite colors, the blue and orange. This is such a versatile watch. That's one of the reasons why I was going to do the trade, because I couldn't really beat it. Like I said, maybe enjoy it for a little while, maybe end up selling it. Not sure yet. May end up keeping it. I don't know, but it just keeps coming back into my collection, guys. I don't know how, don't know why. I guess I'm just meant to have a Squale again. As you know, this was my first Swiss watch. And I know there's a lot of legitimacy claim to the Swiss factor. We don't know how to prove that, guys. Either way, I don't really care, because they are great watches for what they are. You get the ETA movement. Like I said, not going to do a full review, but you get the ETA movement. You get the ETA 28-24 movement. You get a great dive watch. You get that great case shape, that cushion style case that wears really well, even for 42, and it has great lugs for 20 millimeter. Excuse me, guys. So definitely a really versatile piece, and this thing looks great on any strap. Plus, he also, what kind of helped seal the deal is he also included this Squale mesh, this OEM Squale mesh. These Squale meshes, I think, are like $150 alone on Long Island right now, if you can get them, and I think they're sold out right now. So I never had my old Squale on a mesh diver, so I'm interested to see what that's like. Even though I know we're going in the fall now, not really too much mesh weather, but I'll still pull it off. And it came with pretty much, of course, it came with that vanilla scented strap as well. This, if you guys can smell, of course you can't smell this over the camera, but if you guys can smell this, you would know what I'm saying. It has that almost vanilla scent on the rubber strap. Stock Squale strap. Pretty nice. But anyways, guys, this has been Chris with a quick little Squale 1521 unboxing. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Am I crazy for picking this one back up? And I know it's going to get some hate. No, this is a divisive watch. But I always go by the moniker of buy what you love what you buy. Don't care what others think. And like I said, just a great watch. Let me know down in the comments, do you have a Squale? Are you thinking about a Squale? If you are, let me know. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.